My name is Rennie Wang.
My name is Maria Jen, and we are grade 10 students attending Westdale Secondary School.
Here is our science fair project in which we explored the question of how do sleeping positions affect dreams in teenagers.
Sleep is a pretty dynamic, regular routine that everyone does. Several brain structures are actively involved during sleep: the hypothalamus, brainstem, the thalamus, cerebral cortex, pineal gland, basal forebrain, midbrain, and the amygdala.
The hypothalamus is the brain part that controls a person's waking and sleep, while the brainstem ensures a smooth transition between arousal and sleep. The brainstem and the hypothalamus work together to ensure the activity of the arousal centers during sleep by generating a neurotransmitter called GABA, which helps to enter the sleeping stages.
The muscles are paralyzed by the brainstem not to act out what a person dreams. The pineal gland composes a chemical called melatonin, a hormone that makes a person sleepy. The thalamus is an essential brain part which works mostly during REM sleep, the stage of sleep in which you get dreams. The thalamus exports sensations such as noises and pictures to the cerebral cortex, which make up the contents of dreams. The amygdala assists the thalamus and processes emotions in REM sleep. Adenosine is accumulated during wakefulness by the basal forebrain, which also helps sleep better in the dark.
What are dreams? Speaking scientifically, dreams are hallucinations that happen during the sleep stages. Dreams develop during the REM stage, which stands for rapid eye movement. Dreams are unique for each individual and contain a variety of feelings. Sleeping position, length of sleep, and screen time are several factors that affect dreams. 3 stages of the sleep are usually spent in the non-REM stage, while the last stage is spent in the REM category. In our study, we asked the participants to select their waking position for this reason. The individual was likely to just wake up from a dream and making the results more accurate.
We came up with the idea while we were talking about our dreams. The contents of our dreams vary, and we were interested in finding out what caused our dreams to have certain emotions. We saw that the correlation of dream content to sleeping positions was largely unstudied, but definitely existed. As a result, we have decided to create a science fair project about a topic that was genuinely interesting to us, and that was innovative.
The purpose of our study was to find the correlation between sleeping positions and subjective dream quality in teenagers. We did so by creating a Google form survey inquiring about sleep habits and sleeping positions, collecting data from people aged 13 to 19, and identifying factors that affect subjective dream quality in certain sleep positions.
Our hypothesis was that sleeping in back positions would reportedly lead to the happiest dreams. Sleeping on the left side of the body would prompt the scariest dreams, sleeping on the right side would contribute to the least vivid dreams, and sleeping on the stomach would incite the most romantic dreams.
The resources that we used in this study were a Google Form survey and a sample size of 1,225 teenagers. The study participants were asked about the position they slept in, their ratings of the dreams of various emotional parameters such as happiness, scariness, vividity, bizarreness, and romance, and several sleeping habits such as screen time and sleep length. To help analyze our data in the most accurate way and efficient way possible, we created a data analysis computer programming using Java, using elements of data science and object-oriented programming. Our computer program was the main tool for data analysis because with a sample size of more than 1,000 people, analyzing our results by hand would almost be impossible.
The results we got are displayed on the poster, including detailed information about the demographic of the survey participants, the distribution of answers on the subjective emotional parameter scales, and the results of our Java data analysis program. Survey takers reported having the happiest dreams and less vivid dreams when sleeping on the right side. The most vivid and scariest dreams happened when an individual entered sleep on the left side. For sad, bizarre, and romantic dreams to occur, the chances were highest when sleeping on the stomach. The least scary and the least bizarre dreams occurred when sleeping on the back.
Various body parts experience pressure during sleep, which triggers various emotions and affect dream content. The heart is not comfortable when sleeping on the left side and has a more stressed heartbeat, which results in a more scary and vivid dream. On the other hand, the heart is comfortable on the right side, with the dreams being less memorable as well. Sleeping on the back is technically the most comfortable position since fewer muscles are involved and the skeleton is aligned in its most natural position, which leads to the least bizarre and least scary dreams.
Sleeping on the stomach is the most uncomfortable position for your neck and breathing, with the most bizarre, most romantic, and saddest dreams occurring for this position. The reason for the induction of romantic dreams on the stomach is uncertain. However, according to an associate PhD professor at Hong Kong Shui Yan University called Calvin Kai Ching Yu, romantic dreams may occur because private parts are pressed against the bed, causing restricted breathing and stimulation.
We have considered external factors that affected our results, such as sleep length and screen time, and we determined quite surprising results. The shorter you sleep, the more vivid, scarier, and sadder dreams you will have. We also have discovered that longer screen times will lead to less vivid dreams.
Overall, there are multiple ways in which our study can be applied in the real world. Since everyone sleeps, our study would benefit every teenager on Earth. Our results can help teenagers determine which sleep position is the best to sleep in, which is the right side, help optimize and utilize the REM stage of sleep to the fullest, make life easier for people experiencing nightmares, and increase the academic performances of many better rested teenagers. For some teens, sleep is an issue because they cannot rest without having nightmares. Our work's value can also be determined by how we analyzed our data and the methods we used. Our study is at the junction of three sciences: computer science, biology, and health sciences, which modern neuroscience is all about.
Working on this project was very inspiring for the both of us, and we will undoubtedly continue to study and improving in this field of topic. Thank you so much for watching.